Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out statistics of your notes on the NotesWriter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then select a document that you have created and click on the three dots icon at the top. Tap on Short Statistics, which is the fourth option, and here you can see every information: the word number, word count, lines, average word length, average words per sentence, reading time, reading ease, readability index, and so on. So that's how you can check it out. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.